Open the package and remove all parts. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove the nut and washer. After installing the training wheels and washers, tighten the nuts. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the nuts and retaining washers from both sides of the front wheel. Mount the front wheel into the fork. After placing the retaining washer, tighten the nut. Step 3. Assemble the handlebar. Loosen the pinch bolt screws and remove the handlebar protective cover. Insert the handlebars into the head tube, ensuring they extend beyond the minimum safety line. Tighten the pinch bolt screws. Attach the bicycle basket to the handlebars. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Confirm the pedals on both sides. L is the left pedal and R is the right pedal. After inserting the pedals into the cranks, rotate them toward the head of the bike. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat post clamp and insert the saddle into the seat tube, ensuring it extends beyond the minimum safety line. Tighten the seat post clamp quick release. Installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.